Happy birthday to...
Hey guys!
We're going to Disneyland. It's so
We're
hot.
obviously going to Disneyland. Yes, it's very hot. It's like 90 degrees. We're on our way. It's about 1 p.m. and we're gonna go during the Halloween time. Yeah, and our pass expires next month, so we're just taking in the last
time at Disneyland.
Yeah, so.
A dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep.
All those days watching from the windows, all those years outside looking in, all that time never even knowing just how blind I've been.
Hi ho, it's home from work we go. Hi ho,
Under the sea,
under the sea,
under the sea,
under the sea.
darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me.
Can you sing with all the voices of the mountains? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Who is that girl I see staring straight?
First ride down. How was it?
It was good.
First ride. My voice is gone.
Me too.
First ride. It stopped in the middle. Well, not the middle. But imagine if it stopped on like the loop.
Oh, yeah.
It stopped at the end because there was a little hold up. Yeah, but imagine like all that blood just rushing to your head.
Yeah.
But now we're heading to, I don't know where we're heading. We're gonna go get water. It's freaking hot. It's like 85 degrees. But first ride woke us all up. But, oh yeah, and everyone's like dressed. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Can you see Spider-Man? But everyone's dressed up because it's Oogie Boogie. So we're kicked out of here at 6.
You must be swift as a coursing river. Be a man with all the force of a great typhoon.
I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on.
You just remember what your old past said. Yeah, you got a friend in me.
Whistle while you wait. Do your best and take a rest and sing yourself a song.
Everybody wants to be a cat. Everybody wants to be a cat. I've seen about everything. When I see an elephant fly, when I see an elephant fly.
Poor unfortunate soul, so sad, but true. You poor unfortunate soul. Now sing.
Be our guest, put our service to the test.
I know you, I walked with you once upon a dream. I know you.
So we just kind of finessed them. So they messed up on our order. We asked for strawberry and cookies and cream, but they gave us strawberry and cookie dough. And so they made a mistake, and so they gave us one. So now we have 4 scoops instead of 2. And for all my lactose people out there, that's trouble.
Song is old as rhyme, Beauty and the Beast.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide?
A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew.
But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear.
Now I'm in a whole new world. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, strolling along down the street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of your world.
From the day we arrive on the planet and blinking step into the sun, there's more to see than can ever be seen, more to do
That can never be done.
The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. You dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. With all the strength of a raging fire, mysterious as the dark side of, for the first time in forever. Yeah.
There'll be music, there'll be life.
From this day on, now and forevermore. This is the night, what a beautiful night. And they call it Bella Notte. Anything your heart desires will come to you.
Never stop, never stop
So
dreaming.
we are driving back home. Why do we all look fat right now? Do you have a haul?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We're all sucking on hauls.
Halls, H-A-L-L, double hockey stick, S.
We're going home. We at what's it called? What is it called?
UN kitchen.
It's pretty good. Check it out.
It's kind of mid.
Yeah. Well, I overhyped it. All the pictures make it look like flavorful and saturated, but they just turned out the saturation on them.
It didn't come with an egg. Yours did. Yeah, but I had to order it.
Yeah, so we're on the way home. It was a eventful day.
It's very chill.
Very chill.
Yeah. But that concludes Halloween at Disneyland. Next Disneyland vlog you'll see. It's gonna be Christmas.
Yes. Good night.
Sayonara. You win.